Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a good foam rolling technique for your quads. This typically helps me get my quads a lot looser than just flopping around or going straight up and down. You want to do a couple different directions, so I'm going to go through that today. I'm using our low density foam roller just because it's green so you can see the contrast with my leggings, but typically I use a high density foam roller instead. It hurts a little bit more, but it goes a little bit faster and it's where I'm at right now. So we're going to separate our quad into 4 different zones, so to speak. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 3 different things that I do, and then you can repeat those repetitions on each zone, okay? So if I'm trying to foam roll my left quad, I'm going to put the foam roller just above the knee on my left leg. I'm going to be planking, but then I'm going to put my right leg on the side of my knee, if you can see that. So I'm on the inside of my knee, letting that knee bend, kind of like Spider-Man, so to speak. And then the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to bend and extend. Let's say 8 to 10 times, whatever you think you need. You're trying to breathe as you do this because the point is to relax into this technique, not strain and stay tight, because then you're not really going to get as much out of it. You're not going to feel looser. Okay, so once we're done with our 8 extensions, then you're going to pick your hips up and you're going to roll inside to outside. So notice that I'm moving my hips with this. Yes, it's a little bit of work. That's okay too. I'll do that 8 to 10 times as well, rolling from the lateralis, the outer quad, all the way to the VMO and even the adductor there. Okay? Then last but not least, I'm going to pick the most tender spot that I just went over. For me, it's usually my lateralis. And then you're going to scrub. So notice I'm just doing little wiggles and I'm actually on the same spot on my skin and moving the fascia underneath, kind of pinning and rubbing over that deep spot, okay? Then we're gonna roll up into zone 2 and repeat. So you'll bend and extend. You can do it with me if that helps you, and I'll do it one more time. Bend and extend about 8 times, breathing and trying to relax into it. Okay, then we pick ourselves up, roll outside to inside and vice versa. Okay, then find that tight spot and then scrub back and forth as fast as you need to. All right, then once you're done doing those 3 things on all 4 zones of one leg, there's one final thing that I like to try to do here. And a lot of people are going to tell you that you can't foam roll your IT band, so why bother? Don't mess with it. I don't disagree that foam rolling your IT band might not really do anything to the IT band itself, even if you have tight IT bands. But you have muscles underneath your IT band, so this is no waste of time in my book, okay? So we are going to be on the side of our leg, all right? And I find the tightest spot, okay? So for me, it's kind of in the middle. And now I have my right leg over my left, and I'm kind of squared up with the wall, okay? I'm no longer facing the floor. And now I'm going to find that tender spot, and I'm going to breathe until I distinctly feel that quad relaxes into this pressure, and I can go a little bit deeper. And that might take a while. You might need to squeeze the quad and then relax, okay? But distinctly, you probably can't see it on video, but you'll feel like there's a high tone in this muscle, and then it distinctly kind of goes whoosh. Okay? And do that as many times as you want on those quads. I have a few spots that I have to focus on myself, but that is my favorite way to self-massage your quads. Stand up, do some air squats, do some hinges, and see if you feel a difference. Chances are you will, because I think this is a great technique to try. This is okay to do before you work out, especially if you're extra tight or sore, but it's also a great post-workout, and foam rolling has been shown to reduce soreness the next day. Now, is it going to solve all your problems if you have really dysfunctional movements or chronic pain? No. This is a great place to start. Reach out if you have questions or you need some progressions. Try it out.